Hello guys, use smartphone Tecno Spark 8P, this version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory. Okay, start unpacking, look completion, device in the blue color. Okay, in the box we have protected film, documentary and quick guide, back cover, adapter for charging, and this we have headphones and micro USB cable and key for SIM slot. Okay, good compactation we have, with protected back cover, headphones and protected film on the display. Very good. Okay, 6.6-inch display, front camera on the front side, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power key, volume keys and power key with fingerprint scanner. Downside, micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Triple camera on the back side and LED. Okay, turn on display. IPS display, full HD resolution, 400 ppa. Open Geekbench 5. Single core score and multi-core score. This CPU test results. CPU we have MediaTek Helio G70 and Mali G52 GPU results. 4GB RAM memory, and look under the benchmark results. And run the money game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Offline mode, and resume game on the maximum graphic level. Game walk and forward on the max graphic level. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main triple camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.